Okay, just going to show you some general maintenance that's required on this manual roller cover. It only really has to happen every 3, 6 or 12 months depending on your use, whether you're parking under a lot of trees, you're using it off-road and a lot of dusty roads, for example, corrugated roads, or just in suburbia. So, let's open it up, pull it back, press the button, it opens up. It should always roll smoothly. So, inside we actually have 3 clamps on each side which hold it in, and we've got drainage points on each corner, one here, one on the other side, and 2 just under here. You'll see rubber grommets on your roller cover in the canister. Regarding maintenance, just close the tailgate. We recommend machine oil on the bottom part of this rail so it runs nice and smoothly. You'll notice when it's a bit harder to open or doesn't roll as open, just put a bit of machine oil every 3 to 6 months just to keep it running smoothly. The only other thing you need to really do is keep the top clean. If you get a lot of debris, leaves and gunk on that, when you open it up, it opens into the canister. A lot of it gets into the canister, it falls at the bottom, and after some time you may find that the water doesn't drain in the canister, which causes the roller cover to be wet when you open it. It might have been raining last night, it's dry today, the roller cover's dry, you open it, you close it, and the slats are actually wet on both sides, top and bottom. That means you've got water in the canister and it's not draining, probably because there's leaves and other stuff over time that have gone in there. To fix that issue, just general maintenance, you have the roller cover fully closed, then you pop 3 screws off the cover plate on each side, 3 here, 3 on that side, pop the cover plate off. With the roller cover fully closed, you remove the cover plate and you clean out the inside. You can actually see inside the canister, you can see the drainage holes there. Grab a glove, wash it out, put a hose in, and they'll be good as new. That's the general maintenance that we recommend. And the only other thing is some WD-40 on the lock itself here to make sure that doesn't get dry and it's running in tip-top condition.